In this video, I will show you how you can transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. So what you want to go and do first is open up your crypto.com app. From here, go and click on Accounts in the bottom. Now within your Accounts section, you want to go to your crypto wallet. Now here find the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer over to your Coinbase account. So right now I have Bitcoin, but Bitcoin has pretty high fees. So I'll just sell my Bitcoin for now and I'll put it in a cryptocurrency with lower transfer fees to save some money on the actual transfer. Now the one that I usually use is called AVAX, which is Avalanche. You may know it, it's a pretty popular cryptocurrency, but I think that one has lower fees. So I'll just put my money into that one and then transfer that to Coinbase. So now I've got my money in AVAX, so Avalanche. And now you just want to open up that cryptocurrency and then you want to click transfer. Now here go and click withdraw. And now here select external wallet. Now here click add wallet address. And here you can see the available networks. So the main one here is Avalanche C-Chain. Now after you are in that screen, just go back to Coinbase and then click transfer and click on receive crypto. Then here I'll again select Avalanche, but you just need to select the same cryptocurrency that you just did. And you can see you need to receive AVAX on the AvaChain network. So make sure that you are using the same network on crypto.com. So you can see in this case, do not send on the P chain or X chain. This address can only receive AVAX on the Avalanche C chain network, which is the one that I also have on crypto.com, which is perfect. So just copy the wallet address on Coinbase and paste it in this section right here. Then here give it a wallet name. So I'll name this on AVAX Coinbase and click continue. Then they will ask, do you trust this wallet address? I do, so yes. Now enter your passcode. And now you will have set up your wallet. Now just click withdraw on that wallet, then click confirm and withdrawal. Then choose how much you want to do. I'll just clear it and click max and then click withdraw. And now here you can see the fee and stuff like that. So you can see the fee here isn't that much. So then go and click on confirm. Then enter your passcode. And then if you have it set up, you need to enter the SMS that will be sent to you once you click send and enter the code from your authenticator app. So enter those two right here and then click continue. And then you will see, in my case, your AVAX withdrawal request has been submitted. Tap anywhere to continue. And then you will see that now it's going to be gone from my crypto.com wallet and it will show up in my Coinbase account. So it may take a little bit of time for the crypto to actually arrive depending on which cryptocurrency and network you picked, but just wait for it to show up. Usually it takes a couple of minutes, but it could actually take a couple of days as well. But just go and wait for it to show up and then you have transferred the money from crypto.com to Coinbase. So now you know how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.